the big truck. I'm taking the little truck somewhere. So Gladys is going to be following me. Let's see where the road takes us, friends. Let's see where the road takes us. There's something big. Thank you, Willow. So here we are back on a different day.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. It is like night and day. Yeah. Not quite. I'm coming. Wow. Wow. He said he wanted just a video for him to see, but what? We just came back from the emergency room for his back pain. And yeah, it was raining. It rained a lot, must I say. The bridge did not get washed off, but crazy. That was a lot of water that came through. Huh. That's nuts. I can't even cross it in. Not right now, at least. I'll have to go around. Oh, you want to see the rocks? Okay. No, they didn't. On this side? It washed like a couple of rocks, but not a lot. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, no, the rocks seem to still be there. Wow, that's nuts. Going. Hey, quiet. Going into Mom's property, Mom's side of the property. Can you see? Someone's being annoying since he can't come with me because he could barely walk. But it rained a lot, so I know I'm bouncing up and down this camera here. Sorry, guys. So water did go through here. So we got heavy rain that came through here. This portion that we've cleared out from Mom's house looks like I have no standing water here. So that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And it looks like it didn't go all the way up and over. So that is another plus. Awesome sauce. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Yep. That's where the big culvert is over there on that side. Is where you go in to the side of the property. But yeah, isn't that awesome? Wow. There's a lot of water. I love that sound. It's so therapeutic. So it looks like it splits right here. It has like a little island kind of thing. It's kind of cool. Ah! I just went through a web. Oh. Oh, don't you just hate that? It's like I got a karate chop. Oh man, that's so nasty going through webs and stuff. I hate that. But there you go. Yeah, kind of neat. Super neat. Amazing. Oh, not again. Oh, I got it again. I'm done. That's, yeah. Good thing I didn't say any choices of words there. Sorry, guys, but got
our new tires on the old water buffalo. So I got it filled up. That's about as much as we're going to do. It's roughly 150 gallons. Just because even though we got new tires, doesn't mean that the axle and the springs are good. So we're not going to push it. All right, we went and grabbed the other trailer. So what are we doing today? We're actually on the road. We're going to be taking this metal to go get that dropped off. But we're not only taking the big truck, I'm taking the little truck somewhere. So Gladys is going to be following me. Let's see where the road takes us, friends. Let's see where the road takes us. There's something big. Bye-bye, Meadow. And then boom, here we go. Tractor's loaded up. Saying goodbye to the Tacoma. Happy birthday, Christmas, New Year, happy Hanukkah. All right, y'all, we are on our way back home. We're actually sitting here off to the side. Gladys wanted me to pull into a Sonic as I'm pulling the trailer, but there's no place for the trailer to go. So I'm sitting here in the way. But I don't know. Can you see what I see?
I'm playing Dolly.
Yeah, she's playing dollies, but that's not what I see. So, thank you. Got my ocean water. All right, so we made it home. Oh, man, it's a long trip on a sore back. And it's still not done because women folk, they're still trying to dump the poop tank because it didn't get done yet. But I don't know, I think those sensors might be off a little bit because she was able to dump both tanks, and both of them say, well, one says empty and one says 1/3, but the one that she emptied said 2/3, and the portable tank that we have is only half the size of what our holding tank is. So I don't know, maybe I might need to like flush it out, who knows, might have some solids or something sitting. But anyway, let's get you guys turned around and see what I'm doing. Boom, set the jack underneath the trailer, even though it's still connected to the truck, but we got her home. So welcome everybody to the Ivy Ranch. This is Mac. So, yep, the kids decided to name it Mac after the little pony that likes to work or whatever, the little workhorse. But as I was coming into the driveway, I heard something go tink, fall down, and that's what this was. So I had a pin pull out, which is fine because I don't really need this on there right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish pulling that the rest of the way out, which I'm pretty sure I can, maybe, I don't know. I think it has to go one way than the other. Yeah, that's as far out as that's gonna go. So I guess I might as well just push it all the way back in. Okay, yeah, because it there. So I need a new pin there and a new pin there. But anyway, for now, and then I know this, I need to get like a hook or something that I can lift this up where it's up and out of the way. Not just dangling. But let's see if we can't get this thing fired up and backed off the trailer. Oh, yep, that hurts. That hurts a lot. And here she is. Or here he is, I guess. Lil Mac. So this is a Kubota B7100. It does come with the Kubota 1630 front end loader. And oh my goodness, y'all, it's gonna save so much work around here. Even though it's little, it's gonna be mighty, because it's still a lot better than using a shovel and a wheelbarrow to move around rocks or dirt or just whatever it is. I'd be able to save the back just a little bit. So we're still healing up. We're still doing good. I'm gonna get a little bit more maintenance done on that. I still need to get like a few more like little pins and things to be able to fix stuff that's missing, right? Make sure it's all lubed up, geared up, all those things, right? And then eventually I will be going through. Some of the hoses are probably need to be replaced, but it's fully operational. It's working. It does what it's going to need to do for right now, and the price point on that was about the same as my truck. So sacrifice had to be made. I kind of hated to see the old Taco leave, but hey, we're on to new journeys, and I kind of need a tractor. So boom, we got a tractor, y'all. All right. So I definitely appreciate you guys for following the journey. And remember, last but not least, remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.